Are you tired of constantly restarting Visual Studio Code just to see your theme changes? I get it. It can be a real productivity killer. But don't worry, today we're going to explore how to reload your theme instantly after making edits. Many developers face this issue when customizing their themes. It's frustrating to make a change and then have to wait for the editor to restart. You're definitely not alone in this struggle. One user recently asked, is there a way to enable something like hot reload for theme or extension development in Visual Studio Code? This is a common question, and today we're going to answer it. The good news is that there is a way to see your changes without restarting. Visual Studio Code has a built-in feature that allows you to reload your theme quickly. Let's break it down step by step. Stay tuned, because at the end of this video, I will share a bonus tip that will make your theme development even smoother. To enable hot reloading for your custom theme in Visual Studio Code, the user should first open the command palette. This can be done by pressing Ctrl+Shift+P on Windows or Command+Shift+P on Mac OS. Next, the user should type Developer Reload Window in the command palette. This command will refresh the editor without needing to restart it completely. After reloading, the user can make their style changes in the theme file. Once the changes are saved, they can repeat the reload step to see the updates immediately. For a more automated approach, the user can also consider using the Live Server extension. This extension allows for real-time updates without manual reloading. Finally, the user should remember to check the output panel for any errors after reloading. This will help ensure that the theme is applied correctly without issues. Fun fact, did you know that the first version of Visual Studio Code was released in 2015? It's come a long way since then, making development easier and faster. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution shared by another user highlights that since version 1.31.0 of VSCode, hot reload is available for themes when using the extension development host. This allows you to see style changes immediately without restarting the editor. To enable hot reload, you can edit your settings.json file. After your theme is ready, simply move the content to see the changes reflected instantly. That's all for that response. Let's see what someone else had to say. An alternative solution from another user suggests creating a shortcut to open a new instance of VS Code. They recommend using the command code-n followed by your project directory path. After editing your theme, simply save your file and press Ctrl F1. This will open a new VS Code window with your updated theme, allowing you to preview changes instantly. Once you've previewed your changes, you can close the new window and continue editing your theme. This process can be repeated as needed. Here's that bonus tip I promised. Consider using the Live Server extension for real-time updates while developing web themes. It can save you even more time. And there you have it. You can now reload your theme in Visual Studio Code without restarting. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks to enhance your coding experience.